Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off the sign or know how you can do that on your Pandora app. So all you have to do to turn on off the sign, so you just go down here, you click here on profile here and down, then it's going to take you here to your profile. So then all you have to do now, so you just go up, you click here on this sign settings here in app, then it's going to take you here in this list. So then all you have to do now, so you just click here on advanced here, then it's going to take you to next step here, then you just come here to play in on zero stations here. So then you click, you come here to play artist audio messages, you will click here on this sign here or this color, and like you see color it's gone here, that's mean it's turned off with us. So in here can you choose if you want to add only want to hear music or message are to vacant. So like here only want to hear a message, and here you add another scissor that you click here on some, and it's going to turn off with you. Thank you for watching, don't forget to support us by liking